bites the dust.
Wonder why there's so many clocks. Out of all 8, that is the only one that is right. Weird.
Pump's done, by the way. It only took like 15 minutes.
So apparently all those clocks are there for my absolute favorite reason of all time. I don't know. The thermostat on the first floor, can you just turn that off for me? Thanks. I'm lazy and didn't want to go upstairs.
Closed. This is closed.
But I'll go turn the second floor on because I'm a savage.
No, that's okay. It's open, but not quality. Oh, I see.
All right, all set. Ah, there we go. Gotta look at an exhaust fan. Before I go all the way up to the roof, at least make sure it's got power. And everything's on, so to the roof. Ah. Well, definitely not working. Missing a screw. Looks like someone's worked on this before. That'll do it. Was not even attached. I bet this broke a while ago and someone was supposed to come back on it and never did. I'm gonna check and see if there's at least power. So to the switch, we have no power. Well, that's not good. Time to go back down. Power's off somewhere. All right, here's my dilemma. This says bathroom hand dryer only, but there's 2 breakers and this switch is off. So I don't know. I don't want to turn anything on without knowing. Or maybe I will. I mean, that's what a breaker's for, right? All right, I got scared and called the building owner. That isn't even being used as a disconnect. And this, yes, is only for bathroom hand dryers only. So now the hunt begins. What a windy, I don't want to be away. Nope, messed up. Let's try this. There's power. It's gotta be in here somewhere. See, bathroom fan. Oh my God, heavy. I'm gonna try all these single phase first. What was that? It says hot water. All right, so looks like there's one bad breaker, but that's red. Let me try. Nothing. Embarrassing. Well, too late to get it today. I will say in my defense though, absolutely no one knew that that timer was in that closet. This building has been under renovation for probably 2 years now, so I'm not really sure how important it is to fix the blower for it's for the vents for the bathrooms, which the bathrooms aren't even done yet. So I think this one can wait a little bit. I'm gonna keep the belt and the motor either on my truck if I can find a safe spot for it. So probably not gonna keep it on my truck. I'll leave it somewhere at the shop. You know, I don't really think there's a safe place to keep this, but that's okay. Either way, I'm gonna get out of here and I'll catch you tomorrow.